I don't think I warped it too much. I tried to keep some cold air on it. Do have a little bit of a bow right there. Hey guys, welcome back. I think y'all saw my little community post yesterday. I worked in the garage quite a bit. Somehow I unlocked that feature on YouTube, so I might be posting just some pictures in there and doing some polls and stuff. But I think y'all can comment on there too. So just another way to engage and kind of hang out. But when was it? Saturday. I came out here and really tried to get a lot of stuff picked up, which I still got a lot of stuff to do. But let me show you what we kind of switched around a little bit. When you walk through my door, still pretty much the same. Bronco's right there, front and center. International's still here, and the Healey's still, you know, way over there. But the big thing is this shelf right here. Basically, everything that's on it now is Bronco related. Need to do some of that door, but that's not the door I'll be using, so I may put it in the back of the Bronco. But we got all our metal up there that we need, pieces we're working on, and all my stuff, the wiring harness, distributor, all that type of stuff's up there now. Except for at the bottom, oh no, that is the heads for the heads and intake for the 289 radiator shroud and fan. And I think that's the heat boxes down there too with the new motor in it. Of course, our doors here. There's a spray gun that I bought years ago. I never even took it out of the plastic. Got a toolbox I think I'm going to put on Facebook and sell. This is stuff we still got to pick up. But I put that engine stand or crate thing. I was thinking about putting it in the barn until we get the engine over there fixed. But still got some cleanup to do here. I need to fix those chairs for my wife. Whenever I weld, I'll probably pull the engine back here, keep it being weld splatter out of it. Of course, you know, the fender can put back on the Bronco, and got the toolbox cleaned up. Everything where it needs to be except for those few pieces. Cherry pickers kind of put up. Decided to get the grill out since wife will want me to grill here this summer, so got access to that. Then all the other stuff that was over there is now over here. See all the Healey stuff up there at the top. Then we got the 283 heads, as well as the intake and some carburetors and such over there for now, and the blaster. You can see it way over there. So yeah, we kind of moved some stuff around. I think it looks better. It feels better, at least, because once we start putting metal on, we'll open up some more room there for more parts for the Bronco. But sorry, I did take this out and spray it down again. Trying to get all that baking soda out, which it didn't really work, but I did notice that it really started to flash rust my thing over here. I noticed there's a couple holes we need to still plug up on it. Anyways, that's what I did Saturday. I didn't get to shoot anything. Just mainly out here cleaning and putting up stuff. Bush stuff got to take to Goodwill. But anyways, I think today, trying to get around to it, we're gonna probably jump over on the driver's side and start welding up that inner rocker a little bit. Don't think I'll get it all done today, but we'll get some of it. So we still need to weld this up here, and really like to get this corner attached. Get in there and get that rust out of there. I really like to get this part right here done. That way it'll be more solid than it is. Hopefully the door shims will be in soon. Still didn't have a ship date. So once we get those, we'll come back to the door, start working with it. But I did notice something I'm missing. Fell out, I don't know where it did, but my backing plate, just noticed it was gone. So that means it's somewhere around here. Well, I don't have a clue where it is. So more than likely we'll end up ordering another one of them. They just sell them individually. So we'll get that ordered. That way we can jump to this side once we're done fitting the door. But like I said, getting out here before work, so don't got much time. I'll hop over here, kind of weld it up a little bit, and get a little bit further with it. This week, I'm gonna get some paint. We're gonna go over what we done here, paint through here, because I need to stop all this fly stressing. So we need to get something on it. And we may come back in here and sand some more, get more of it taken down. But yeah, today be welding and grinding. So let's get you set up and we'll start to work. All right, we got a little bit done today. I gotta really get into work though, so about all I had time for. I want to wait, try to hammer that down a little bit, make it more flat. This turned out not too bad on this side. Back side, I'm probably gonna have to grind that seam down back there to make it just smooth. I don't think I warped it too much. I tried to keep some cold air on it. Do have a little bit of a bow right there. We'll just maybe that won't be too big of an issue. Going forward, have to push there and maybe pull out here. That kind of helped a little bit. But anyways, getting this side stitched up, and then we'll finish it out and paint it. I'm gonna call on those door shims today, see where they're at. Hopefully they'll get here soon. If not, we may just come back to this and look at everything again. Let me know what y'all think about my new setup on my Bronco stuff over there and on my other stuff over there. Well, I am debating on either putting the International or the Healey in one of those back barns, just so I have enough room in here, or maybe in both of them, I don't know. But yeah, let me know if you think I should move the International and the Healey out for the time being. So I like to have room in here to bring something else in if I ever got anything else, which I don't think the wife will let me, but you never know. Sorry about the short video today, but like I said, I gotta get into work, and we're just kind of not killing time, just finishing up some projects, some things to do before we can really fit the doors and the shims. Passenger side's ready. I just need to fit the door. I need to buy another backing plate. I don't know where that one fell out. Lost it somewhere. I'll get one of those ordered today, and hopefully shims will be in soon. We can start shimming up the passenger side and driver side, getting everything how it's supposed to be. You need to find the latch mechanism, which is somewhere in that stuff up there for the passenger side door. But anyways, we'll continue on with the Bronco. Like I said, I think sometime in June I may try to trailer it to a show where I grew up at. Like I said, it's their first car show, and I like to have something in it. Would drive the Camaro, but the windshield's busted, and like I said before, if I go and try to replace the windshield in it, then probably gonna have to do the whole car, or at least the whole window channel, because the back one's rusted out too. That's something I really don't want to get into right now. I do want to drive it, but so we might trailer the Bronco just to get out. I like to go to car shows. But if you like this kind of stuff, please stick around. We'll be fitting doors and finishing up well in the finishing up well in the inner rocker, and we'll be welding the kick panel in over there, door pillars in here and over there. I need to finish plating the passenger side. I don't know if you can see it over there. Finish plating that up. Let's come think of it, I am gonna have to move one of them out if a body shop don't take the body and finish it off for me. I'm gonna have to make a cart and stick it over there while we work on the frame and everything. But that's still a little ways away. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you again. Really appreciate the support, and y'all helped me out with everything. We'll get back to the door soon, and hopefully wrap everything up and be ready for something new. But all this kind of stuff, please stick around. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the time being. Don't know if I switch it up in the future, but this seems to work pretty good for me. 3 times a week, and out here just for a little bit trying to finish small things, but we'll move on to better things. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.